can see here at St. Pius, it's a lot of devastation, a lot of major disruption of daily life.
In Lake Charles and the surrounding areas, there's a lot of power outages. So a lot of families here, including the church, have no power, no electricity.
I knew Laura was coming a few days in advance, although no one expected it to get this strong. I've lived through a flood, I've lived through hurricanes before, so I know the damage they cause.
So yesterday, we handed out a huge amount of food. Every day we've moved about 12,000 pounds of water, just right here from the parking lot.
Today we are serving lunch to the people here, and it's just a way for them to get a hot meal. It's gonna get some good jambalaya on them.
Charity is we here to prepare hot, fresh meals and to give to the people who are in need or who are in distress right now.
That's what we do. We serve. We get out there, and when we see a need, we go and do our best to try and fulfill that need.
Being a knight, you want to continue to help people no matter who they are. God calls us all to give back and to help others in need.